Press right arrow key. I go to tilt calibration because this instrument can also be used to measure tilt angles. So this means the instrument needs to be calibrated. I'll press OK. Put it flat. There's a symbol to press this arrow key. It now tells me to spin this 180 degrees and to press the arrow key again. Now it wants me to tilt this 90 degrees up. I'll press the measure key again. It now wants me to rotate this 180 degrees. And I'll press the measure key again. It now wants me to stand up the laser measure. Press the measure key. Wants me to rotate it 180 degrees. Press the measure key again. And it shows a green pass tick to show that tilt calibration has successfully completed. I'll go back up. Next function is the bubble level. Leaving the instrument on my workbench, the bubble is nearly in the center, and if I slightly move it, you can see that the bubble moves. If I press the measure key again, it locks that padlock so that it's in that position, and I guess that's useful for getting a determination on what the slope gradient is. Press again to unlock. If instead of lying the instrument flat on its back, I now turn it on its side, what happens is that it becomes a vertical angle inclinometer. So that's useful as well. I really like it. I think it's very useful. I was surprised though that with this particular model, Bosch did not supply a lanyard and said that that was an accessory that had to be bought. I do hope you found this video useful and interesting. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more and help the channel grow. Thank you so much.